Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, then why not subscribe? I promise you it's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. In today's video, we are going to be decluttering underneath my bathroom sink. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's very hoarderish. It looks nasty, it's trashy, let it spiral out of control. As a mother of 3 children, I'm always on the go, I'm always rushing to do things. I try to micromanage as much as I can. Most times I'm always grabbing things and just putting things down. What better way to hide certain things underneath your closet, pantries, things where nobody can see, out of sight, out of mind, and after a while things just start to accumulate. Look at Justice behind me. The reason why I really want to do this is because I'm tired of opening this and getting frustrated and not being able to find the things that I need, or rebuying the same things that I already had in my house, but because I can't find them, I think I don't have it. So today we're gonna tackle this sink specifically. If there's something in your house that you need to tackle and you have been procrastinating, I think now is the time. It's better to do it with somebody so that we can get it done, get it out the way, and feel so much better. So being that underneath my bathroom sink has gotten out of control, I wanted to figure out a way to make things a little bit easier for me. Using storage bins is really beneficial in helping to organize certain things in your house. So I went on to Amazon and I picked up these really cute storage little containers. I feel like this will really help me to stay organized. I got 4 of these, and then I actually have these cool storage bins that I got from Family Dollar. I actually have these in my pantry. I also have these in my refrigerator to like store drinks and stuff. It makes it look so much neater, more organized, and less cluttered. I'm really embarrassed to show you guys this, but you know what? It is what it is. Things happen, life happens, kids happen. To be honest, things get out of control. Whether it's the bathroom sink, whether it's the kitchen, whether it's our bedroom. Everybody has a junk drawer in their kitchen. Things just get out of hand, and it's okay as long as you recognize it and you try to fix it. It's a start. That's what we're gonna do today. I woke up and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna clean today. And if I don't do it in the morning, I start to get lazy in the afternoon. So I said, you know what? Enough rambling. If you guys are excited to see the before and the after transformation of the underneath this disgusting thing, then keep on watching. Really quickly show you guys what it looks like on the count of 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3. Oh my God, this is a hot mess. Like, this is a hot mess. This is the raw. It looks like under your girl's bathroom sink. I'm not proud. First things first is I need gloves. I'm not touching anything out without gloves. I don't want to mess up my nails. I forgot the Clorox wipes. 1 second. I see a whole lot of sanitary napkins and a lot of this stuff I don't even need. I feel like the last time I cleaned underneath here was about maybe 6 months ago. Just being honest. And now I'm just gonna take everything out and see. The garbage filled up already, and then this is what everything looks like on my bathroom floor. It looks a hot mess in here. This is the bottom. All of the products and everything just left marks on the bottom of this. So what I should do, and I probably will do, is get some like some type of wallpaper to cover this. But because I don't have it today, I'm just gonna try to clean it as best as I can. Originally it looked like this, but because I neglected it, this is the outcome. So able to clean the doors and the inside, but the bleach actually took the wallpaper up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably go out. I'm gonna see if I can find something that matches this color. There's no way I'm gonna put all these cute storage bins and it looks like this. It's a no for me. Look, it literally just came up. Just looking at it right now, it just looks so much better. Okay guys, so I'm back. Actually I had to run out to Walmart and go and get some of this removable adhesive wallpaper. It's not really the exact match, but it's gonna have to do because I really didn't like the way the bottom of this looked, so I was like, we're gonna have to figure it out. I got so lucky because they only had this one left, and I think it was $6. So my grandma just came over here and saved the day because I'm not good with cutting. I'm gonna have her cut this, and then we're gonna put it down, and then we'll continue our organization.
think I'm doing a good job, okay?
What I'm gonna do now is just do a process of elimination and just get rid of stuff that I know I don't need, and stuff that I don't use anymore. I'll probably just donate it, because a lot of the stuff is good stuff. I just don't need it. I just buy stuff just cause. This is hoarder behavior. And what's crazy is I have a really small bathroom, so. I have 4 containers, so I'm gonna take some of my Q-tips and I'm gonna put them in here. How cute is that? I'm gonna put some cotton balls in another one. I'm gonna put some floss picks in one of the containers. I'm gonna put some of my cotton pads. These are vital. They're very necessary in the bathroom. Voila. These storage bins, I feel like my sanitary napkins could go in here because I have so many of them. I don't want to put too many things back down here because that leaves more room for me to get it junky again. So less is best for me. I'm just gonna take some of my sanitary napkins and I'm gonna stack them. Like that, we are back and we are stacked and we are good for the next month. I only have one more storage bin, so I'm gonna have to make that count, and I'm gonna have to really use my space wisely. So I do have a lot of hair products, but I may get another crate for that and maybe just keep the necessities and the basics down here. So I am finally done organizing underneath my bathroom sink. This was a process, but I feel so achieved and I feel so accomplished and I'm so proud of how it looks. So on the count of 3, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. 1, 2, 3. So now that I'm done, I feel super completed, super accomplished. I hope you guys do as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video.